Although notice that what's happening here, right, is that we have this ugly indentation, right? We have this then, and then you have a user model. What if we had to do the same thing again? Something that would happen after the find. Again, we would have to embed inside of the inner function. Yes. So you would start getting all this skewed, right? All this skewed source code that would look awful, right? That would be very, very hard to follow along, right? As the data is embedded. Again, to implement the sequence, to guarantee the sequence of operation of something that is basically asynchronous. Yes. So what we could do is that, for instance, what if after retrieving all my users, I want to retrieve only Ada? What would I do? I would do this, right? I would do the console, and then I would do this. Okay, so here we have the doc. We can do a console for the doc. So here I'm printing the document I just inserted. Then I'm finding all the users, and then I'm printing all the users. And then finally, I am retrieving only Ada. Yes? And notice that to make sure that this happens in the order that I want, I have to embed them inside of the other. Yes? So notice how everything started to become skewed, because we want to enforce the sequence. Yes? So to avoid this, what we can do is the following. This right here, this find, right? This find, we want to use this then. Right? So what we could do is just, instead of putting it here, we can say return. Now this return will be what? The return of what? Of this then. Yes? So now we can move this then. We can move it down here. See that? Okay. We can do the same thing here with this finder. We can do a return, right? And then we can move this then. We can move it down here. Now it's much more readable. See that? Now it looks almost as if this was sequential. It's almost as if this read synchronously. Do this, then do this, then do this. That's the whole point of the then keyword, right? To make it look as if this were synchronous, even though these are all asynchronous calls. Everybody good? All right, so let's see if this actually works. Yes. So anyway, so we did Charlie, Edward Norton. And so let's insert that. Let's stop that. Let's run it. Okay, so notice that what happens, right? The first one is Ed was inserted. Then we retrieve all of them, including Ed, right? Because it was all of them. And then finally we did the hello, and we retrieve Ada. Right? We guarantee the order of operation. Everybody good? Okay.